pair of Hogs Millennium Falcon that just came out September 4th, 2015. We're going to go ahead and open it. I'm cutting tape. I'm cutting tape right now. It's going to have two sides to open, or does it open across this way? Aha! Here we go. Okay, so it looks like they have in here, I'm going to pull this piece out. It's supposed to come out like this, I'm not quite sure. So, in this piece we have the controller. It seems to be connected to something. And then a USB, I'm guessing to charge. So a charger and a controller. I'm going to tear this, but I guess I'm going to have to. Bro. So, controller. Got a couple buttons on the back as well. You can see them right here. Back here. Down, left, and right. Power button. Okay. And then I get some volume here. Let's see, where is the USB connect? Aha, here's my USB connection. There we go. Is that this takes 6 batteries that are not included in this. So this is pretty simple. It looks like they have some zip ties holding this down. No clear zip ties, held down by some tape, so you can really don't need anything. Tape, it slides right out. Make sure you get both of those off. There's a couple, not quite zip ties, just little plastic pieces that hold it in place. Make sure you peel off and get those out of the way. And this should come right out in your hand. This is very light. Feels like it's just foam. Pretty good detail on it though. And then I see an on-off switch and some connector piece here. See that? Go into the charger back here via Phillips head screwdriver, 6 AA's, and then out this little panel here is your charging cable for the Millennium Falcon. Then you have an on-off switch to turn it on, obviously turn it off. I think that's it. Oh, you have hyperspace boosters. Well, that's what I was touching, I guess. Things up here, yeah. Okay. Optional USB charging port. Yeah, so that's just if you want to put in your chargeable batteries. Just stick it into the charging port. Turn on the Millennium Falcon. 2 white lights up front. Blue lights out the back. Pretty fancy. You guys can see that. Okay. Turn on the charger. I guess that means the oh yeah, I'll flickers on. Ooh, so jiggy with it. I'm trying to see how many forward, so. That's good. Oh, it's not in focus. Oh, yeah, pull that focus in. It flies pretty well, but it's so light. Obviously it's for indoor use, and then when I turn off fans and anything else like blowing in the room. It's pretty neat. I wish I had this when I was a kid.